How are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in London, UK from Facebook page and londonclassified.org. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to get jobs in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, this time now I'm showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job. Junior IT support jobs in London. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Junior IT support required in London. Title: Junior System Administrator and IT Support. Report to Senior Technical Director. Location: London. Summary: we are looking for a hands-on Junior System Administrator and IT Support individual to join our BAFTA and Emmy award-winning animation studio. This role is for someone hungry to learn, who is ready to roll up their sleeve and mucking. The right candidate must be technical, accountable, organized, and able to work collaboratively in a very creative environment. You should someone keen, energetic, willing to learn, and have a great attention to detail and great ability to follow through on tasks. Key responsibilities: help provide comprehensive IT support for the efficient resolution of the day-to-day IT task requests within the studio, ensuring related tasks are followed through a completion and resolved in a timely manner. Help troubleshoot IT issues regarding application hardware, OS, mainly MS Windows, but Mac operating system and Linux knowledge appreciated. Help manage animation, VFX software, license update and various automation tools. Help configure equipment for the team and help set up new starter and artistic workstation, hardware and software. Configure and maintain other studio IT equipment such as printer. Help manage the vendor form. Setting up and looking up after IT assist inventory. Provide support including procedure, documentation and relevant reports. Experience required: 1 to 2 years hand-on experience in both user and system support or related IT roles. Windows 10 desktop support skills. Be familiar with client-server environments. Exceptional time management, prioritizing tasks and communication skills. A natural multitasker who is flexible and helpful. Problem solving and sound decision making skills, especially in limited time. Good people skill, ability to work with a team and prioritize workload. Graduate in computer science or equivalent with a strong interest of animation and VFX. Desirable skills: Mac and Linux support skills appreciated. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So junior IT support required in London. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate in computer science or relevant field. Then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV by use this link. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. This website daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So guys, first of all you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.